Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best reviews of top-notch products on the market. Today, we've got something really special for you, the S-through electric fireplace insert. If you're looking to add warmth and style to your living space, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the features, benefits, and real customer experiences with this fantastic electric fireplace. Let's kick things off with an overview of the S-through electric fireplace insert. This remarkable wall-mounted fireplace heater is designed to elevate the ambiance of your home while keeping you warm during those chilly nights. It comes in a sleek 36-inch linear design, perfect for any room. One of the standout features of the S-through electric fireplace is its build quality. It's made from high-quality metal with a stone finish, ensuring both durability and elegance. But what sets it apart is the choice of media. You can opt for traditional fake firewood or dazzling crystals, adding a touch of customization to your fireplace experience. Now, let's talk about the flames. This electric fireplace offers an incredible range of customization. You can choose from 6 different flame colors and even adjust the brightness across 5 levels. Plus, there are 10 ember bed colors to pick from, creating the perfect mood for any occasion. Worried about dry air or odors? Not with the S-through electric fireplace. It provides cozy warmth without making the air dry. And here's a bonus. It's smokeless and odorless, which is fantastic for those sensitive to odors. Plus, it's much safer compared to traditional fireplaces, thanks to electronic temperature control and an overheat protection cutoff device. Are you a light sleeper or have kids in the house? Well, this electric fireplace has you covered. Its metal wind wheel ensures better dynamic balance and even heating while operating silently. So, whether you're trying to relax or put the little ones to sleep, it won't disturb your peace. Worried about the installation process? Don't be. The S-through electric fireplace can be wall-mounted or fully and partially recessed into the wall. Detailed installation instructions are included, and there's even a video guide to assist you every step of the way. Controlling your fireplace is a breeze with the S-through electric fireplace. You can use the intuitive touchscreen or the included remote control for your convenience. It offers uniform heat dissipation with 2 heating settings, 750 W for energy-saving insulation and 1500 W for fast heating. It can comfortably warm up a room of up to 500 square feet, with a temperature range from 64 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your preferences. In summary, the S-through electric fireplace insert is truly the best wall-mounted electric fireplace on the market. Its combination of build quality, flame customization, comfort, and safety features make it a standout choice for heating and decor. With easy installation and flexible control options, it's a must-have addition to your home. That's it for today's review of the S-through electric fireplace insert. If you want to transform your living space into a warm and inviting haven, look no further. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.